Engagement Assist lets you harness AI to suggest discussion topics and open questions in interactive study materials, making it easier and faster to boost engagement, for example with the flipped classroom. Select a part of a document by dragging over text or making a box over any selection, choose an open question or discussion, and click the Suggest button to provide an automatically generated question or discussion thread. You can also use this in a video or audio file in the same way as you'd usually add a contribution. Scrub to somewhere on the timeline, click the plus icon, and choose an option. Engagement Assist first creates a transcript and then provides suggestions. These suggestions are based on the context at hand and use bloom levels to create questions. The instructor can always edit the content and publish it to save. It will appear just like any other contribution in the study materials, ready to stimulate engagement. So let us know what you think about Engagement Assist.